Now I want to show you something quite special. It's sort of a follow-on from a recent video I did of Lyonetia clerkella and the leaf mine of that particular micro moth. Well, I've just found this leaf. So it's a leaf of the same tree, so it's cherry, but we've gone a stage further forward. This is still Lyonetia clerkella, but this is a great advert for just how remarkable many species of micro moths really are. An ordinary cherry leaf, or the underside of an ordinary cherry leaf, but this one holds a quite magnificent piece of construction. Look at that. It may well look like some untidy work of a spider, and this has been through the walls, this creation, because creation and construction are perhaps the right words. This is the pupal cocoon of Lyonetia clerkella. There are a couple of other species that create such elaborate processes, but basically the larva constructs a silken web, and within that silken web, spun off the surface of the leaf, it's almost like the inside of a cat's cradle, for those of you old enough to remember when young girls used to do that at school. And in that web, suspended in that cat's cradle-like web, the larva then spins a cocoon of silk around itself, then spins that silk even thicker to create almost like a hammock. And then in that hammock it pupates and the moth emerges. I suspect that the moth may have already emerged on this, but it's a long time since I've seen this. But it is almost over the top in its construction. It could just create and spin a silken cocoon on the surface of the leaf or against a joint somewhere, anywhere on the whole tree. It's got the whole tree that it could pupate, or it could even drop to the ground and do the same thing. But yet it creates this silken hammock and then pupates in a cocoon spun within it. Nature's just remarkable, and this is an example of how nature is remarkable.